hairline looks good, the color looks good, the curls look good, I'm about to look good.
What the f though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the f though. I don't bluff.
Well, how you doing? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl bust out her wine cooler today because this look deserved it. Ooh wee, crack her open. Ooh, that's good. This tropical mango tastes a lot better in the can than it does in the bottle. I'm just saying, I don't like the bottle at all. I tried that one, it was trash. But the can, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna tear that up. But as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Y'all know I just did a Jerry curly version of this exact same color from Nadula, and I was mentioning in that video how I wanted them to send me a kinky curly version. So if Nadula wants to do a kinky curly unit in this exact color, that'll be fantastic, okay? But at the time, they ain't have it, okay? But they said, you know what? We got you, sis. And I'm just so thankful because hello, this looks so good already. This is freshly washed hair, okay? Freshly washed and detangled, let me be clear. And I am ready to put this baby on. The hairline looks good, the color looks good, the curls look good, I'm about to look good. Mine did come with the attached elastic band that you kind of hook into the wig, so if you don't have one, make sure you contact Nadula because you should get one. Nadula, you know the rules, okay? Make sure everybody gets one in theirs. My lace does have a slight tint to her, but I'm gonna go ahead and tint it just a smidge more with my 330 Toffee powder by Maybelline. It's my pressed makeup powder, nothing crazy. I'm gonna tint that just around the hairline. Now most of that will come off when I go ahead and do my my mousse situation because I will be rocking this unit glueless, hello. But it doesn't wipe off everything, so I'm gonna do a little, just a little around the hairline like that. I am not gonna wear my wig grip just yet because I'm gonna see how this fits on my head, but I am gonna tighten down the elastic band because when I tried it on, it was a little loose, so you know, I like that, especially for my big old head. Y'all know my head is 23 inches on a bad day, okay, gang. So I like for my wigs to kind of stretch over my head and kind of conform to the shape of mine, and Nadula gets it right every time. Bars. About to say, where's she at? Here she is. Use my claw clip. I can cut these off right where they are. I don't need to take out any excess hair. This is a perfect fit. So if you have a big head like me, like I said, 23 inches, this cap should fit your head. Now if you have a 25-inch head, I don't know about that. Okay, my head is 23 inches. It's considered big, all right, but 25, I can't help you with that, sis, but I will tell you that it does stretch. So you may have some wiggle room in that joint, okay? Let me just put my glasses on. Stop faking the struggle. This side, like that. There we go, right around, round and around, round and around. What is that? Is that hairspray? No, that's Dreamgirls. We are Dreamgirls. Yeah, that's Dreamgirls. I was thinking Tracy Turnblatt with what's her name? Queen Latifah and John Travolta as the woman. Yeah, I was thinking about that one. I cut mine in 3 just because it's easier and I have a better control over what I'm cutting off. I did not mean to do that. Dang it. I'm gonna use my Nairobi Mousse around my hairline for the glueless look. 2-3 pumps on each side. Because this is a kinky curly unit, I can definitely swirl and not swish my hairline. It's gonna give me that natural curly look around my edges and around my hairline. See those little hairs that are kind of coming down like that? You want that because when you wrap it down, they're gonna kind of get stuck in place. Now, not stuck to the point they're not gonna come up. This is mousse, so it's not gonna give you a hold like that. It's just gonna mold the hairs around your hairline, okay? Nadula did send me a band, but I have a couple from them, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that I already have unwrapped. Wrap this down. Where's my back? Here we go, and there we go with that. Perfect. Okay, so I already did this side right here because I don't want to take too much time. This is very easy. I just used these 2 products in my last installs. I'm using my Nairobi Mousse and my curl glaze together, all right, to get my curls together. So first it's Nairobi Mousse all over the hair. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Work it in. My hair is still a little damp, but it is already drying down from the wash. I did use the same wig shampoo and detangler spray that I did in the other video, so if you want to check that out, you can definitely do that in my description box. It works really well on these wigs, and you can use it on synthetic or human hair. as I did today. It does have some tangles now that it's drying up, so be mindful of that. Use your detangler brush, whether it's this one or the other ones that I've showed on my channel, and work through the hair. Take your time. If you're rough with your hair, it's gonna be bad. You're gonna have a lot more shedding than you want. The less pulling you have, the less shedding you will have as well. Natural shedding will happen with these wigs. I mean, it's a wig on some wefts, so it's gonna happen, but you don't have to have a lot if you're careful with how you are manipulating the hair. I got some hair in there. Ugh. Take about a quarter size of the curl glaze, work it in the hands, and then work it through the hair. I am getting some more shedding with this. It is a lot of the blonde pieces, so make sure you're careful with how you are pulling on this hair. Do some spot clumping. Make sure I get the root. That'll help with the lift. I'm gonna clip up this top here to give me some lift in the front, as well as give me some room to do my makeup. Then I'm gonna scrunch the hair like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, fluff the hair, and then we'll come back and style this wig up together. Be right back. Okay, so the hair is pretty much dry. I got a little dampness, but I'm gonna dry that down with my blow dryer in a second. First, I need to get my pick, and I'm gonna fluff this hair out very carefully. I've been learning not to do too much if I don't want too much frizz. So I'm gonna take my time, fluff in the direction I want the hair to go, which is up and out. Make sure I get in between the hair like this. All right, little lift. Let me get up under here. Get up there like that. Ooh, this hair is so pretty. The color is gorgeous. I love it. The texture of this hair is kinky curly, but it's more of like a 4A kinky. It's not given like, you know, thick texture at all, but it is giving thick hair, if that makes any sense. This side over here is a little bit longer. This little one right here, and that one. And then I gotta fix that because I don't want it to be too perfect. It's always my right side that's perfect. You know, the right side is the right side, okay? We're gonna get the left together too. As usual, I'm gonna take off the diffuser from my blow dryer and blow dry the hair on cool and high to fluff it up and dry it down the rest of the way. All right, so it's dried down. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Leave the clips on. I'm gonna take off my band. Okay, okay. No plucking whatsoever. Just gonna do a little brushing of the hairline. Brush that back. That's already back, so let's bring some of that down right up in here. I can definitely bring my hairline down. Y'all know I got a big forehead, so I can do that. Let me see, I want my, I want my contour. All right, so I can tint my lace just a little bit. A little dusting right across there in the front. Should use my other brush. Let me get it. There we go. The lace and the hairline is looking great. Nadula has really came through for your girl. Do I need to fluff it anymore? I mean, I could pull it a little bit, I guess, but it's pretty much dried and fluffed down the way that I want her to be. Hello. Let me take this off and get the final look. Okay, y'all, this is cute. Listen, take it to the head. I knew the kinky curly was gonna give me the look that I wanted, and I was right. Y'all, I am in love with this look on me. Am I missing a necklace? I am. Ooh, this is cute. Wish there was a little bit more layers right in here. I could probably cut that, but I'm not gonna do it. I may do a little upstyle with her because, you know, it's hot. If you don't know how to do the ponytails, y'all know I have a whole ponytail playlist on my channel to show you exactly how I do my ponytails. So make sure you check out that playlist to get you the looks for the ponytails, the half up, half downs, all that. I have it on my channel already, but I wanted to keep this one all out because that's how I styled it in the Jerry curly version of this wig. So I wanted to give you guys a side by side with that. And listen, how we looking? Y'all see the difference in the curl? See how this holds the shape a little bit more? I don't gotta do as much fluffing and it's not as frizzy because the texture that this unit does have helps with the hold and the shape of this wig. And the hairline is still looking good. I didn't blend my lace over here because you know my hair is down. I ain't too worried about that. Nadula. Cause this is cute. Okay, let me get up out of here because this video was long enough and the looks need to serve outside. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.